Okay.
Huh?
Great America?
At Great America?
Yeah.
I don't know what.
Kailangan mo sa recital mo.
Huh? What?
Sa recital mo?
No, I don't. You want to watch it again?
No, you do it.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
In my front hurt.
You.
That's comfy, dirty. You know why my feet is getting dirty? From my shoes. You see, it's dirty.
That's why you need to get a new one.